everyone, how are you? Welcome back. I have had this video requested by a bunch of people, so today we're going to be doing some tips and tricks on how to work with transfer foil. Hopefully by the end of this video I will have helped some of you, and let's get started. Here are all my foils. I do have a storage organizational video, so if you want to watch that, go watch that. It's in my organization playlist. So I literally took all of my foils and I reorganized them down to these two small folders, which I absolutely love. So the first one, we have solid color and marble foils. Now we all know how to use the marble foils, and that is not the trouble part. That one, everyone I think knows how to use these, and we all know how to use this type of foil. This type of foil is pretty much easy to use. So that is not gonna be in this how-to video. So I will show you in this video how to use these for full coverage foil. I will also show you how to use any of the solid color foil for a transfer, and getting into the foil, all of this, and doing single images when it comes to the flowers and any of this. So let's get started, and we're gonna start with solid color prints. I did buff the tip really quickly. I'm gonna cut a little piece of the transfer foil. I'm just gonna measure and cut and go something like this. So these are the two brands of foil gel I have. The one from Red Iguana is the one that I'm currently using, hands down, that I haven't had any issues with. I will admit, every once in a while, the one from Johens I do still run into trouble with, but I will be using both of them in this video. So let's try the Johens first. Put down a thin layer, but not too thin and not too thick. All over the nail. If there is too much, just wipe off the excess. Once you are done, put this in the lamp and cure it according to manufacturer's instructions. This one is a cure time of 60 seconds. Now that this has come out of the lamp, here's what you have to do. Wait. Doesn't matter what transfer gel you use, you have to wait. Give it a couple seconds, at least 30 seconds from when you take it out of the lamp, and let the gel cool down. Just like you would with a top coat that has a tacky layer right before you wipe off the inhibition layer on that tacky top coat. Wait. Once you waited that 30, no more than 60 seconds, take your foil, start from the middle, and you'll work your way from side to side. Okay. Now it's gonna work with the heat from your body, and now it's going to transfer, and just go from side to side. Work your way down. Okay. And as you do that, foil is going to start to transfer with, okay? And as you can see, if we slowly lift this, it's now transferring. If that is the one tip I could share with you all when it comes to a full transfer, but that's it. There you go. There you go. A clean transfer. Let's do another one. And I'm sorry if there's loud noise outside. Let's do these stars. Actually, nope. Let's do this animal print. Measure out the animal print. Go right around there. Take this. This time I'm gonna use the red Iguana foil gel. Apply that on the tip. And on this, it is a 1 minute cure time. Same thing as the Johens. Same thing. Now that this came out of the nail lamp, we're going to let this cool down. I'm going to put this down. You start from the middle and work your way out. Go down the middle. Go out. And work your way out. And then if you need to, once you get back in here, make little cuts. Okay. But see, as I'm doing this, it's literally popping. The foil is literally lifting up as I'm doing this. Okay. And why is it lifting up as I'm doing this? One, because it's completely transferring, as you can see. Can you see how it's completely transferring? Okay, and it's doing that because of that first step after we took it out of the lamp. Because we let it cool down. Now let's go for something still full coverage, but it's gonna be see-through. So like any of these flower designs, which in this case, you would now have to have a background color to it. So let's not use one of those. Let's go with this one. I'm still going to use the white swatch stick. I'm going to measure and then cut. Same thing, took this out of the lamp. Now we're gonna let this cool down for about 30 seconds. Let's go with something right here. Pull that, put that right there. I'm gonna start in the middle. And go side to side. Okay. Let's slowly start lifting this away. And there you have it. Same thing as before. So for your first tip at getting a full transfer was 1, a thin application of your foil gel. 1, make sure you're properly curing your foil gel in your lamp according to manufacturer's instructions. And 3, I would say the most important step with doing a full transfer is making sure that gel has time to cool down before you put the foil transfer on top of that gel. I would say give it about 30 to 60 seconds. Really let that transfer gel cool down just like you would with a top coat that has a tacky layer to it. 4, apply that transfer foil from center to edges. And really apply a little bit of pressure when you apply that transfer foil, because you're going to use your body heat to apply that transfer foil. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stick around for next week, where part 2 of this little mini series foil video. I'm going to show you more of an individual foil how-to video. So instead of doing a full coverage look, I'm just going to show you how to do individual pieces. Everything that I used in this video will be listed in the description box below. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if this how-to video worked. I can't wait to hear in the comments if this helped anyone out. I will talk to everyone later. Have a nice day.